Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's John here at Castro Oasis in West Haven, Connecticut. Here at Castro Oasis, we do all kinds of services from vinyl wrapping to vinyl lettering, as in our company truck, to lifting them with different type of lift kits. We're a rough country dealer, authorized dealer and installer. We also do tires and wheel packages, as you can see on this Titan. We even added this winch, so she's ready to go off-roading. It's very beautiful. The 1794 Platinum Edition Tundra received our paint correction, and it also received a ceramic coating. As you can see, it's a mirror finish with a high gloss that Ceramic Pro Iron can only provide. And we have a 2-year package, a 7-year package, and a lifetime package like this beautiful F-150. It's a 1978, but you'll never be able to tell because thanks to our multi-step paint correction, remove all the scratches, the swirl marks, and we added this nice little red chrome vinyl striping for nice little details. And it also has aftermarket wheels and tires, combining that new look to the classic look. And come check this out. It's a 1976 Datsun. This is my favorite one. It has a little 1200cc with a Weaver. It's like a glorified carburetor, and it's really hard to start. Talk about cold start with your E85 car. This one probably has you beat. It's really hard in the cold start to get it started, but once it gets going, that sound is beautiful. So here in Castro Oasis, we provide services from classics to new trucks to classic cars to exotics and everything in between, because we love cars. So what are you waiting for? Book your appointment today.